out here in Laguna Beach today, walking on a project of ours, and just wanted to give you a little insight as to how OC Restoration starts and finishes our projects. Before we enter your home, we're putting on some booties. We're going to lay down some nice ram board throughout the walkway of our property. We're going to go ahead and set a decontamination chamber, because who knows what we're going to find on the inside of your walls as you're having water damage. This is to keep any cross-contamination from the rest of the home. We're going to set up a nice dual layered containment so that we can get everything all underway. We run everything on negative air while the work is ongoing. Currently, we're not in that stage anymore. We're just in the dry out process, allowing a little bit of airflow to enter inside the containment. There was a refrigeration line leak coming from an indoor area, and behind this section is where the mold was located. So this is all nice and sealed up shut. We've got equipment on either side trying to dry out some shear paneling. Alrighty, stepping inside just past the decon, and as you can tell, our team takes great priority in making sure that the area is completely clean, sealed off, no airflow getting to the rest of your house, contaminating the rest of your house with dust, debris, mold spores, etc. Stepping on into the secondary section of containment, just making sure that shear panel is real nice and dry, shoring up your guys' countertops, making sure nothing's coming down, trying to keep the house as safe as possible.